Welcome to KanBo, Work Coordination Platform. Today, I will show you how to work with documents in cards. This is a huge topic. For now, we will focus on the basic card features. Are you ready? First, there is the option to attach files to cards. All we have to do is drag and drop them from our device. What is more, we can even create documents right here. Word, Excel, or PowerPoint. Let's try a Word document. It will be the best option for planning our event. Using an editable Word document, we can make corrections to the file on the go. Remember, all documents that appear in KanBo are stored on your company server. Documents created in cards can be edited by many users at the same time. Olivier is responsible for this card, and we can see that he is working on its document right now. We can follow his every step. He is using the Excel document created right here. Some tasks are beyond his capabilities, so he asks his colleague Robin for help with the graphics part. Robin has a separate card where she collects graphic files and has written out all her tasks. Look here! Is it the document that was uploaded to the previous card? Yes, it is. Documents in cards are just links to files. Such a solution allows us to connect a single file with many cards at the same time. Each document has its source on the company server. Let's see how it works. Every document that appears in KanBo has its source in the external library. This way, we can refer to a single document in many cards. Now, let's go back to the space, and let me show you a tip. On the right side of the top bar, we have a document button. Here we can take a look at all the documents connected with this space. Discover more KanBo features with us. See you in the next video.